Good for amateur astronomers. An amateur astronomer has discovered a Jupiter-like planet with the same mass as our Sun, according to NASA. And we know that the past two interstellar comets were also found by amateur astronomers. According to the space agency NASA, the exoplanet called TOI 2180b is about 379 light years away from our Earth. It has an average temperature of about 170 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 76 degrees Celsius, which is warmer than room temperature on our planet, of course, much warmer. It's almost boiling, as well as warmer than outer planets of the solar system. An amateur astronomer discovered a Jupiter-like exoplanet with the same mass as our Sun, NASA announced in a press release. Former naval officer Tom Jacobs is part of NASA's citizen science projects, which sees researchers from the space agency collaborating with members of the public interested in astronomy and physics, and professional astronomers use computer algorithms, as we know, to scan data collected by various telescopes to make new discoveries. To find an exoplanet, researchers look for changes in brightness of stars, which could indicate that a certain star is being orbited by a planet. But computer algorithms are designed to search for planets by identifying multiple transit events from a single star, and that's where amateur astronomers come in. They can observe it much better than AI. Tom Jacobs is part of a team called Visual Survey Group, which inspects telescope data by eye. On February 1st, 2020, while inspecting data collected by the TESS telescope, Jacobs noticed that light from the star called TOI 2180b dimmed by less than 0.5% and then returned to its previous brightness level over a 24-hour period. So he then informed NASA researchers about what he found, and they in turn used the automated Planet Finder telescope at the Lick Observatory, California, to test Jacobs' assumption. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box. Scientists observed the planet's gravitational tug on the star, which allowed them to calculate its mass, the mass and estimate a range of possibilities for the orbit. And according to NASA, the planet may have as much as 105 Earth masses worth of elements heavier than hydrogen and helium. It takes this exoplanet TOI 2180b, about 261 days to make a complete orbit, which NASA says is long compared to other known gas giants outside our solar system. Diana Dragomir, assistant professor at University of New Mexico, said, with this new discovery, we're also pushing the limits of the kinds of planets we can extract from TESS observations. TESS telescope was not specifically designed to find such long orbit exoplanets, but our team, with the help of citizen scientists, are digging out these rare gems nonetheless. Scientists say they expect to get more information about the new exoplanets with the help of James Webb Space Telescope. That's the one that was launched just recently, because it will be able to use infrared and can see dark things that we can't see by that are lit up. So that is definitely going to change a lot of things. We'll be able to see a lot more out there. So new exoplanets, more information will be from the Webb telescope, launched last December. It will examine the planet's atmosphere. Right now, researchers plan to find whether the gaseous giant has rings and moons like our planet Jupiter. NASA says amateur astronomers co-authored 68 peer-reviewed science papers, including the discovery of transiting exocomets, or comets outside the solar system crossing the face of a star. And Tom Jacobs said, we love contributing to science, and I love this type of surveying, knowing that one is in new undiscovered territory, not seen by any humans before. So great for them. These are volunteer amateur astronomers, and they have discovered very significant items out there. This is by Max Gorbachev, Sputnik News. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support.